Multi Camera Search and Playback in exacqVision 26.0. Introducing Multi Camera Search and Playback, a game-changing feature that lets you search and view video from up to 16 cameras and audio channels simultaneously on a synchronized timeline in the Exact mobile app. With this feature, you can investigate faster by viewing multiple angles of an incident in perfect sync. Enhanced functionality. Most mobile VMS apps only support single-camera playback. Achieve feature parity with legacy apps while enjoying a modern experience. Enjoy flexible access for admins, power users, and those with search roles or custom permissions. To perform a multi-camera search, select the Events tab, choose Devices. Select the plus icon to add the required cameras to the search. Configure the settings as required and click the Search button. Click the Camera Grid button in the top right corner to change to a grid view. You can select the List View icon in the bottom left corner to switch back. The timeline at the bottom is fully interactive. All cameras stay in sync as you navigate. You can't move one independently. Any associated audio will also sync, giving you complete context. Select the three dots icon in the bottom right corner and select the Edit Devices option to add more cameras to the search. For the best experience, we recommend searching up to 4 cameras streaming 4K footage at once. Multi-camera search and playback, powerful, flexible, and built for modern investigations.